Today, we're going to talk about everything that is trending on the internet. I have personally tried this. It's been a while that I've been using these products. So, I thought, let me just come here, talk about all these products that I've been using and tell you if it's worth buying or no. Because there are sometimes it happens that, there are certain products that are overhyped and we just end up buying because we see a lot of creators out there speaking about it, and there's so much of advertisements out there, and there are billions of products out there, right? So I tried some of these products and I thought it would be worth it if I come here and share my personal opinion or share some of the recommendations with you all. So let's quickly get started. So the number one product I have is by L'Oreal. Now this is their eye serum and it has 2.5% of hyaluron and caffeine. So this comes in a glass jar like this. Now the good thing about this product is it comes with this kind of wand, which is pretty nice to apply under your eyes, and it's really good. It's kind of soothing and everything. But I did not enjoy this product. If you see, I've tried this much. I bought this about a year before. I tried this. It does give you that cooling sensation, but it doesn't do anything with your eyes. To be very honest, I am not a fan. I thought it would help me with my puffiness or with the dark circles, but it did not do anything. The only thing that it does is just calms your under eyes and just gives you that cooling effect. Apart from that, it doesn't do anything. I mean, it didn't do anything for me. So, this is something that I would skip. The next product I have is by Wishcare. Now, this is their hair growth serum, which helps to reduce hair fall and boost hair growth. I have already spoken about this product in so many videos. I so love this product. I got my hands on this after looking at the internet. Like, people are raving about it, people have gone crazy about it, and that was the time when I had like massive hair fall with the kind of medication and everything I was having. So, like, this part of my hair that you see, the baby hair that you see right here, it was like I could see the patches. Okay, so I got this, I tried this. This is my second like bottle, by the way. I got this, I tried this. Initially, after like using this for like good 2 weeks, I did see my hair coming back. Basically the baby hair that you see had all come back. Gradually it increased, but the hair fall, I couldn't see anything in terms of hair fall. But over a period of time, like suppose after 2 months, I could actually see visible reduction in my hair fall. So this product does take time, but it is super effective if you use this consistently. So I really recommend this product. It is very good. I think Wishcare has been coming up with some solid great products which is super effective. But again, everything takes time, so you have to be super consistent and it will be all worth it. And so I would highly recommend this one. The next product I have is by Beauty of Joseon. Now this is their matte sun stick. This is something it looks like. Now I really like this product. So when I apply makeup and I know that I'm going to be outdoors, so I'm going to just reapply this product on my face. And you know what, it doesn't smudge your makeup or it doesn't put your makeup all over your face, is just intact. So I really like this product in terms of that. But you're just gonna buy this on its own and just reapply it or just apply it. I think that wouldn't be like a good stuff, because it would not 100% or 90% as well not protect your skin. So you have to use your regular sunscreen that is there. And probably if you're outdoors and you've put makeup and you just want to make sure that everything is intact and still your face is protected by sun, you can actually get your hands on this. So it's recommended from my end. But again, having said that, the original normal, your cream or your gel or your whatever sunscreen that you put prior your makeup when you're doing your skincare routine, that extremely important, and you can just top this off so it will make all sense. So yes, this is something I would recommend. The next product I have is by Wishcare again, and this is your Super Bright C16 Vitamin C Serum. Now this is something it looks like. If there is one serum that I would highly recommend anyone is vitamin C, because for Indian skin type, mostly the problem with our skin type is, pigmentation, dark spots, and acne scars, and all of those. And I think vitamin C does the job. The only thing is that you have to be very, very consistent. I've used the Claire's one before, and I think it's very, very effective. But the problem with that is the packaging. But with the Wishcare one, this does take time to show up on your skin. Does take about probably 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks. But again, with consistency, this really works. But you have to be very, very consistent with this product. It's extremely good. I like it, and I would definitely give it a pass. And I would recommend this. But you really need to have patience. Now, this really helps with pigments to, it helps to get rid of that acne scars and everything. When you apply this in the morning, you have to top this with a sunscreen. You can also use this at night. You can actually use this twice a day, every single day. It's so good. So yeah, that is something that I would highly recommend again. The next product I have is by Earth Rhythm, and this is their organic aloe vera extract for calming face gel, and this is something it looks like. Now, this is for those days where you think that your face is very irritant, or there's a lot of redness that has come and you've been out in the sun for very long. So, what I do is, as soon as I'm home, I just apply like a little layer of it all over my face and neck and my ears, and just leave it for good 10-15 minutes, and my skin instantly feels calmer, cooler. So that's everything it does. So just in case you have like super sensitive skin, you can actually apply this. And it is also important that you look for an organic one. Like, for example, this one right here, it's transparent. There are so many aloe vera gel in the market that comes in a green tint, but if you go and see, aloe vera gel is actually transparent in color. So I'm just going to show it to you. If you see, it exactly looks like aloe vera that you see in the plant. So I really like the way it is, and it's very, very calming and cooling and all of those stuff. It is really, really hydrating. So I really like it. I'm going to show you the difference if you can see on the screen. This really feels like, moisturized, hydrated, wherein this side feels a little more drier. So I really like this product. So yeah, you can go grab this one for yourself. The next product I have is by Vaseline. Now, this is their Healthy Bright Glutathione Luminous Defense SPF 50 with a PA+++. Now, I have had a Glutathione all the products from this range, and this one is my personal favorite because I love the consistency, the texture of this product. Now, this is a body sunscreen, and this is something it looks like. It's huge, massive. I really like it. This retails for about 700 rupees, but you'll definitely get this on discount for about 25%. So this is so damn good. I've already shown the consistency prior, but let me just show it to you again. This is something it looks like, very jelly. It glides in your skin so beautifully and just gets absorbed in your skin. If you see that, it's so damn good. So I really like this product, and I would highly, highly recommend. And yes, it instantly gives you a very mild fragrance, which I completely love. And also, it just makes your this part of my hand feel so calming and cooler. So I really love it. So yes, I would highly recommend this sunscreen. If you're someone looking for a body sunscreen, just go get your hands on this one. The next product I have is a night serum. Now, I have different opinions on this one, but again, I absolutely love this. Now, this is by Indie Wild, and this is something it looks like. Now, this is the Sunset Restore Serum, and it is their 1% Pakuchi oil, tripeptide complex, and squalene. It also has amla and saffron in it. I am a combination skin girly, so when I apply this, it does take a while for it to, penetrate inside the skin, to be absorbed in the skin. But when you get up in the morning the next day, your skin feels so good. It really helps with the pigments to give you that nice glow. It really does it all. But the thing thing with this is that it's so damn oily, the consistency. So I don't think it will work on oily skin type. That's the only thing that I feel is kind of bothers me, but it's really good for sensitive skin type as well, because if you know, bakuchi oil is actually derived as a natural source of retinol. So if you're someone who doesn't want to get into retinol or retinol, and you want to try the natural variant of it, you can get your hands on this one because it's so damn beautiful. So I like it, but I think I'm not very sure if it suit the oily skin type girlies. But apart from that, I just cleanse, I just apply this, and that's about it. And I just wake up in the morning with great skin. So you have to be very consistent with it. So when I started using this, I applied this once a week, then I gradually increased to twice a week, and then alternate days. And then sometimes now I use like every single night, and it works. It doesn't irritate my skin, it doesn't burn my skin, have done nothing. I mean, in terms of the cons, but it has done so much good thing. My skin feels so much, glowy and hydrated, and it really helps with the skin texture. So overall, I really love it. So I think the oily skin types could actually skip this, but or try it out. Or if you are someone who have tried it and it has worked for you, you can put that in the comments so that other oily skin girlies can have a look at that. But this one from my end, I would highly recommend. So yes, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. You really like these kind of videos, and that's the reason I thought let me just put my thought across. And yes, if you like the video, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love ya.